Excuse me, lecturer.
Yeah, Bo.
Can you clarify with theoretical framework and conceptual framework?
I think Bo, you asked a very smart question. Uh, don't don't get a little bit disappointed because I say Bo asked a very smart question, okay? Because this question is a very sensitive one, a very important one. This research question is a very important one. Before I impress Bo and the participants with screen sharing, I just wanna tell you this, everyone. Theoretical framework and conceptual framework are the sticking points, for a lot of people. I struggle a lot too when it comes to theoretical framework and conceptual framework. When I was pursuing my degree. So to make it simple, everyone, theoretical framework. I I just want to give you 5 examples, and you can count whether it's 5 or not. Number one, I uh, I access one article, uh, journal article written by 2 scholars in Taiwan. They are lecturers teaching economics, business and management discipline in Taiwan. They um they were interested in conducting a survey among Taiwanese young people who love to drink coffee at Starbucks. I'm telling you a story because I'm trying to explain the conceptual framework and theoretical framework. So they survey young Taiwanese who love to drink coffee at Starbucks. And then I enjoy this paper because it's about drinking coffee, something that I also love to do. I went through their introduction, and I learned so much about how companies and businesses do the marketing. And then at the end of their literature review section, they propose a theoretical framework in their study. There are 4 series they adopted, as the theoretical framework. They under their theoretical framework they reported 4 series. I'll try to remember all of them. Number one, they summarize in one paragraph Abraham Maslow hierarchy of need theory. So they summarize, Abraham Maslow hierarchy need theory. And I was asking myself, what the heck, were they doing? The topic is why, Taiwanese young people, drink coffee at Starbucks. But the theoretical framework, one theory, they use as a part of this theoretical framework is Abraham Maslow hierarchy of need theory. So, okay, fine. And then I continue reading. They go on, to talk about Tra. Tra is another theory, reason action theory, or Tra. Yeah, reason action series. This series says that people who drink coffee at Starbucks don't just drink coffee without any reasons. They have reasons. For example, they have positive attitude toward Starbucks. For example, they have positive attitude toward service at Starbucks. They think that Starbucks service is good. They think that the ambience, the environment is cool. They think that the quality of Starbucks is cool. So reason action theory or TRA say that people engage in a particular behavior. They drink coffee at Starbucks. They go to KTV. They come to the MA program, not because they have some kind of reasons. So tra is something that you need to explore also. Yeah, tra. We do something because we have reason to do it. That is the second theory he adopted under the theoretical framework. Another one, I'm sorry, another one, Tra and Maslow. There are two more. I'm absent-minded, but the point is this. That's one story I want to tell. The topic is Starbucks, but his theoretical framework is Maslow and Tra and two more theory. And then when I went to the research model or his conceptual framework, I was very happy, to learn by the conceptual framework. His conceptual framework is influenced by the theoretical framework. So normally the conceptual framework, is presented in a diagram, okay, in a diagram, and then on the right hand side, I just talk. Yes, I don't want to share screen. On the right hand side, actual behavior. Actual behavior means people really drink coffee at Starbucks. Yes, that is actual behavior. And then another box, next to actual behavior is intention. People have to have the intention, to drink coffee at Starbucks before they can go there and drink coffee over there. They have to have the intention, and the intention is affected by the attitude. So the attitude affect the intention, and intention affect the behavior. Okay, and the attitude come from one, service quality. So the two professors try to measure, the people feedback on the service quality, on product quality. In this situation, in this context, refer to coffee quality, service qualities, product quality, and another one is price. Okay, price of Starbucks coffee. So you can see the conceptual framework right now: service quality, product quality, and price, and then attitude, okay, and then intention, and then actual behavior, consumption, consuming, coffee at Starbucks. Basically, this conceptual framework, okay, all of them are concepts, okay. Intention is a concept. Actual behavior is a concept. Attitude is the concept. Service quality is a concept. Price is a concept. And product qualities is a concept. All are concept. That's why they are called conceptual framework. Conceptual framework is basically, a visual representation that you create, and all of them, cover the concepts, that gonna guide your study. So looking at the conceptual framework, you can predict that the two professors are going to measure, young Taiwanese people's who drink coffee at Starbucks attitude toward feedback on service quality at Starbucks, price of coffees at Starbucks, quality of coffee at Starbucks. So in order to answer their research question now, this conceptual framework now influence the research question that they gonna formulate, or the research hypothesis they gonna formulate. So you can see research question, research hypothesis, research objective come from the conceptual framework, and the conceptual framework are informed by the literature review, in particular informed by the theoretical the theoretical framework. For example, um, tra, okay, tra, TOA, reason, ED, okay, reason action theory say that before you can go to drink coffee at Starbucks, you have to have positive attitude, positive feedback, positive, memory of many things at Starbucks. So Tra inform, you and Fang, the two professor, inform his construction of the conceptual framework. Where the attitude, yeah, the attitude in the conceptual framework is directly borrowed from Tra, okay, from Tra. Intention, I think partly intention is also based on Tra, because Tra say action is influenced by action of the people, behavior of the people, what you actually do. In this context, you actually drink coffee at Starbucks, come from the attitude and the intention. So Tra play a very big role in his drawing of the conceptual framework. So that's one story. I will send the paper to you, everyone. I have that paper. I hope you enjoy reading, and I hope you you will not have an issues with proposing a conceptual framework and putting together a package of series under your theoretical framework from now on by reading that I think 8-page journal article. I'm going to share that with you. Number one.